morning, everyone. Today, we're gonna be reading Captain Mac, and it's day 4. So, hello. It's good morning. Captain Mac is busy. He sails at 10:30. But he still needs to find a crew. Can I get 10 men? Look out or you'll get wet. I can touch our sleeper. I can do the hook so I can get it in a net. Stop that hungry rat, cries Mac. Ron has the pet for that. My cat will do the job, he cries. A cat can get a rat. Who can clean the ship? asks. Right now, it looks a wreck. Don't worry, Captain Mac, says Ned. I can mop a deck. Who can help us find our way? Mac gives his sharks a tap. I know which one to use, says Mac. I can pick a map. Soon Mac has found 9 sailors, 1 more and he can stop. I can climb the mast, says Rick. Can I get up on top? The girl runs up. Now Rick is feeling dizzy. He has to come down quick. A sailor's life is not for him. He's leaving. The girl runs up. I'm Tom, she cries. She's on board with a hump. I'd like a job. Let's see, says Tom. Tom, get up on top. Tom scrambles up. The rigging job, it's yours, shouts Mac. Get ready for the journey, lads. Run, kid, run, and pack. My crew's complete, means Captain Mac, and everyone's again. The clock has struck. The tide is right. I did it. I got 10. Bye, everybody. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.